Hello everyone, I'm Sona, your English language teacher, and welcome back to Sona's English Podcast. Today's episode is called English for Daily Life, Ordering Food in a Cafe. In this practice, you listen and repeat natural English sentences that people use every day in cafes. So, find a quiet place, relax, and let's start our shadowing practice. It's a sunny morning, and I walk into my favorite cafe. Your turn, repeat. I walk into my favorite cafe. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. Say it. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. There are a few people sitting and talking quietly. Repeat. There are a few people sitting and talking quietly. I look around and find an empty table near the window. Your turn. I find an empty table near the window. A friendly waiter smiles and says, "Hi, what can I get for you today?" Say it. Hi, what can I get for you today? I smile and say, "Hi, can I have a cappuccino, please?" Your turn. Can I have a cappuccino, please? The waiter says, "Of course. Would you like it hot or iced?" Repeat. Would you like it hot or iced? I reply, "Hot, please." Then I ask, "Can I also get it with oat milk?" Your turn. Can I get it with oat milk? The waiter nods and says, "Sure, anything else?" Repeat. Anything else? I think for a moment and say, "Yes, can I have a chocolate croissant, please?" Say it. Can I have a chocolate croissant, please? The waiter smiles and says, "Of course. Would you like it warmed up?" Repeat. Would you like it warmed up? I answer, "Yes, please. That would be great." Your turn. Yes, please. That would be great. The waiter repeats my order. So that's one hot cappuccino with oat milk and one warm chocolate croissant. Say it. One hot cappuccino with oat milk. And one warm chocolate croissant. I say, "Yes, that's right." The waiter says, "That'll be €5, please." Say it. That'll be €5, please. I take out my wallet and pay. Your turn. I take out my wallet and pay. Then I say, "Thank you." The waiter replies, "You're welcome. Your order will be ready soon." Say it. Your order will be ready soon. I find a seat and wait for my order. Your turn. I find a seat and wait for my order. Soft music plays in the background. Say it. Soft music plays in the background. After a few minutes, the waiter calls my name. Cappuccino and croissant for table 2. Repeat. Cappuccino and croissant. I go to the counter and pick up my order. Say it. I pick up my order. The coffee smells amazing and the croissant looks delicious. Your turn. The coffee smells amazing and the croissant looks delicious. I say, "Thank you so much." The waiter says, "Enjoy." I take a sip of my coffee. It's warm and rich. Your turn. I take a sip of my coffee. I bite into the croissant. It's soft, sweet, and full of chocolate. Say it. It's soft, sweet, and full of chocolate. I watch people walking outside and listen to the music. Repeat. I watch people walking outside and listen to the music. It's a peaceful moment, a perfect little break in my day. Your turn. It's a peaceful moment, a perfect little break in my day. I finish my coffee and stand up. Say it. I finish my coffee and stand up. I take my cup and plate to the counter. Repeat. I take my cup and plate to the counter. I say, "Thanks again. Have a nice day." Your turn. Have a nice day. The waiter replies, "You too. See you next time." Say it. See you next time. I walk out of the cafe feeling happy and refreshed. Repeat. I walk out of the cafe feeling happy and refreshed. Great! You did an amazing job. You practiced a full real-life conversation in English, ordering food in a cafe. This is how you build real confidence in everyday English. Thank you for listening to Sona's English podcast. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep improving. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.